Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Nino, and today I will be teaching on how you can complete the tables of values for a quadratic equation. Okay, most of the times you are given an incomplete table with an equation, and you will be told to complete the tables of values so you will be able to plot your graph. But today in this video, I will only be teaching how you can complete the table of value. Now we have a question on the board which says, copy and complete the table of values for y equal to 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. And this was the table, and on the x-axis we have negative 3 to positive 4, and if you check the y-axis, we have an incomplete table, only the value for minus 3 and 0 and 3 that was given. So for us to be able to complete this table, we need to know the values that will fill up these spaces. Okay, how do you go about this? This is what you do when you are given a question like this to work with. First, you start with x. What we have here is 3x squared, you write it here. And what we have next is minus 5x. And what we have next is minus 1, and then you will end with y. So you see, you begin with, x, and then you end with y. Now, let us begin. According to x, we have negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then now this is what we're going to do. How can we get the next row? It is very simple. Here, all these values you have here stands for x. So if we say 3x squared, it means at this point, if I want to get this first spot here, it means x is minus 3. Are you with me? If I want to get the second, it means x is minus 2, so on and so forth. So here, if x is minus 3, it means I'm going to have something like this. 3 into the bracket of minus 3 raised to power 2. Because x carries square. Now, minus 3 raised to power 2 means minus 3 times minus 3, and that gives us a positive 9. So it means 3 into the bracket of a positive 9. And 3 times 9 gives us 27. So it means what I'm going to have here is 27. Are you with me? Good. Now next, x is minus 2. Now we all know minus 3 raised to power 2 is 4. And 4 times 3 gives us 12. Are you with me? Next is minus 1. Now minus 1 raised to power 2 is 1. And 1 times 3 gives us 3. Here is 0. 0 raised to power 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Here is 1. 1 raised to power 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 3. Again, 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Again, 3. 3 raised to power 2 is 9, and 9 times 2 is 27. Again, 4. 4 raised to power 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 48. Good. We are done with the first row, which says 3x squared. Simple and easy. You see, when you are solving problems in mathematics, don't see it as something big. Just calm yourself down, and you see you getting it, step by step. Math is all about step by step. Now let's go to the next column. We have minus 5x. Again, my x is minus 3. We start again. But we have a negative 5 here as the coefficient of x. So minus 5 times minus 3 gives us a positive 15. And minus 5 times minus 2 gives us a positive 10. And minus 5 times minus 1 gives us a positive 5. And minus 5 times 0 gives us 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive, it's just there, it's neutral. Now, minus 5 times 1 gives us a negative 5. And minus 5 times 2 gives us a negative 10. And minus 5 times 3 gives us a negative 15. And minus 5 times 4 gives us a negative 20. Are you with me now? It's as simple as that. Now what do I have here? Minus 1. No x. It is a constant. So here it becomes minus 1, 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 and minus 1. Are you with me now? It is as simple as this. Now, this is what we're going to do. For us to be able to get the values for y, we're going to start this way. Now, what I have is 27. Okay, 27 plus 15 gives us 42. 42 minus 1 gives us 41. You see, it's as simple as that. 27 plus 15, 42. 42 minus 1 gives us 41. Next, 12 plus 10, 22. 22 minus 1 gives us 21. Again, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 1 gives us 7. Again, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1, which is what we have here. Next, 3, watch now. 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 gives us minus 3. Again, 12 minus 10 gives us 2. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. 27 minus 15 gives us 12. 12 minus 1 gives us 11, which is what we have here. And lastly, 48 minus 20 gives us 28. And 28 minus 1 gives us 27. Aha! All right. We are done. As simple as this. We are done with the tables. All right. So now, what we're going to do is this. No. Okay. All right. All right. And all right. Now let us complete the table. We have 41. Here becomes 21. Here becomes 7. Here is minus 1. The other becomes minus 3. Here becomes 1. Here is already 11. And here becomes 27. So class, this is how you complete the table of values when trying to plot a quadratic equation graph. Class, I believe you understood perfectly what we did. And you can apply this method in trying to copy and complete, an incomplete quadratic table that is given to you, and you will see how simple it works. So we have come to the end of today's class, and I will say a very big thank you for the viewers out there that are taking time to watch and learn. I hope you get what you are here for. Till we meet again in our next class, thank you for watching. Mathematics and I will meet again. Bye for now.